Where are you, mate? Hello, mate. How are you? Yeah.
Don't answer him. Don't answer him.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's not Josh. He's Matt.
Oh,
don't even worry about it.
Yeah, no worries,
Don't
mate.
even worry about it. Just don't even worry about it.
9 minutes in it.
Yeah, no worries, mate.
Don't even worry about it.
Yeah.
Just book it. Just book it. Just need to know. Oh my God, there's someone's arms in here.
It doesn't matter even if you're not Josh, I'll take you.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
He's James. Oi, I don't even know you. This is my cab. Get out of my Uber.
Shut up, Matt. Let's show ID. Can someone show ID for this?
Who are you? My name's Josh. And I booked this Uber. My name's Travis and I booked this
Give
Uber.
me that. That's not on. Absolutely not on.
Dude, I heard you use traffic. Just straight on the company
Just
car.
fucking
Like,
come in and play one game, you prick.
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to. Because it's not one game. It's 14 games.
It's not
19
one game.
fucking
It's one
fingers.
game. No, it's not. It's actually not, though.
Yes, it is.
It's actually not, though. I just wanted to play pool with you, though. That's exactly what I wanted to do.
I've been playing pool with you for the last fucking
No, but
4
we
hours.
haven't been. No, just us.
Give me that.
Gee, I fucking missed you so much.
Fuck off, cunt. Don't even start.
They actually have, though.
I still like I haven't been with you for the last 19 years.
I actually have missed you.
19
We haven't been talking since Anzac Day.
19 years.
Since Anzac Day when you barred me.
But you've been a fuckwit, so I went home. Yes, you were.
Really
Don't touch me.
I'm really
I
sorry.
don't know him. Give me a kiss. He's taking a photo of you.
Puta madre. Now give me a
No,
kiss on the
after
cheek.
you've been a fuckwit on
No,
Anzac
actually,
Day, you never
really
said
miss
sorry.
you. Actually, I'm sorry about that. Actually, am.
Let's get pissed, you say sorry.
Oh, don't do that.
No, didn't even reach out to say, oh, sorry for what I did.
Yes, so soft.
No, fuck you.
Oh, fucking... Mate, I don't think you understand how much, like... It's me and you, bro.
No, you and Dubba that night.
Oh, shut up. Shut your fucking mute, mate.
Yeah, Dub, look at him.
That was pretty funny.
No, Dub.
No, but you were...
Dubba.
No,
Dubba.
No, but what I will say...
yeah.
What I will say...
Fuck yeah.
What I will say...
I don't want to hear about it.
No.
Don't want to hear about it.
It's like she pulled up an actor, my look-alike, and it was a good-looking guy, and you could have been like, yeah, fucking... Like, if that was you, I would have been like, yeah, fuck, it looks like you.
I don't even remember talking about it. What was your look-alike?
He's a guy...
There you go, can't even remember.
I don't know, I got it.
That's how unimportant.
Joseph Zaza.
I don't even know who that is.
He's the new Hunger Games actor. And you were like, oh yeah, you look like him. You fucking look like him, bro.
See, I was getting around you.
No, you weren't. You were
What did I say? You look like him, you look like him.
that's not what that was not the point.
No, the point was you were getting around Dubba, you know, Dubba.
Stop. You know you're my boy.
Dubba,
You know you're my boy.
Let's just call him out here.
Then what was Dub doing?
I was well.
No. I didn't mean for that to happen, really.
No, you did.
No, I didn't.
No, it's all good.
Oh, gosh, you really make me work for it, don't you? Every fucking time. Like, you make me...
Well, I didn't say anything. I said good night. Have a good night.
No, you do. You make me work
I
for
know.
it. You know you're my best mate. You know that. You know that.
Till there's a crowd.
Oh, my God. You fucking know that as well, and that's what pisses me off. That you have... Give me that. No, because I want to hear your side of the story. Go on, because I want to hear it.
There's no side of the story. I just went home. I was tired.
No, you mate. You cracked me absolutely
No, it was
sad.
tired. It was time for me to go.
No, so no, tell me.
No, to be fair, I didn't want to have a big night anyway, and then you just tipped it over the edge anyway. So.
I really apologise for that. I do.
Yeah, okay, whatever, I don't care.
No, but like...
Time's passed,
you
mate.
fucking-
Time's passed, I've already got over
But
it.
you
I've
know how
already
much I
forgot.
love you.
I already forgot about
No,
it.
but that upset me.
Okay, cool.
That upset me. Right.
It wouldn't have upset you that much when you were fucking at the Emerson until Sad rocked up.
Yeah, then it upset me.
Yeah. Then you were upset. Then you were pissed off.
Then I go, I was doing these hands. What the fuck?
Such a
No, but it did, it fucking-
such a touche rocker.
Tugged. No, not only...
Bet you had an awesome night after that.
No, I'll give you 3 guesses about who rocked up with Dudje.
Oh, that Adrian bloke, whatever his name
Nah, he
is.
didn't.
That Walter.
No.
What's his name?
Adriano.
Yeah. So when I was at a footy,
Yeah.
Touche's like, oh... And so
She was there?
Yeah. And
What?
so- I don't know.
Dave's
why.
never ever been at a
No,
game ever.
I don't know why she was there with Saj. And she goes, oh yeah, I think... Like, I was like, oh, what are you guys doing tonight? And she's like, oh, I think we're going to head to the...
She put the accent on.
I was like, oh yeah.
She put the accent
And
on.
Saj is like, oh, what? She's like, yeah, come. She's like, oh,